Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Let's grab a marker or pencil and get started in the center of the page with the beak. We're going to start with a point. Now let's curve the left side. We're going to go out and then down towards the bottom. Go back to the center, curve this out, and then down towards the right, towards the same height. Now I want to create a point along the center of the beak. So we're going to bend this in and then down towards the middle. Go up and out. Now let's add a seam in the center going about halfway. Let's go to the corner of the mouth, bend this in and then out towards the bottom of the mouth. And we're just going to open up the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's round out the chin, coming around and in. And we'll curve the bottom. Let's add 2 sets of 3 teeth on either side. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, curve this up and down, add 2 more. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to curve the bottom of the eyes, starting on the left, then this down, and then up. Line this up on the right. Now on the inside, draw a straight line going up. Let's round up the eye, going up, come around, and then in towards the bottom. Let's go to the top of the eye. We're going to add a curve for the eyelid, going up and then down. I want to add some lashes. On the inside, bend this out and up. Just continue towards the outside. Now we're going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So starting from the very top, we're going to draw a circle, going around and then up. Let's just line this up on the right side, drawing that same size circle. In the center of each eye, let's draw a smaller circle for the pupil and fill that in black. Just up above the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the eyebrows. And we'll add some thickness. Starting back on the outside, go higher in the middle, and then back down towards the point. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move out and draw the top half of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up, round up the head, come across, and then back down. Now I'm going to curve this back down and in towards the bottom of the beak. So we're going to come down, round up the cheek, and then bend that in. On either side, we're going to draw 2 ovals for the cheeks. So starting from the top, come all the way down, and then back up. Let's add that hair across the top. Starting in the middle, bend this up, and then out, bend this down and then in. Let's add another one, going up, down towards the side, and bend this in towards the center. Let's add one more, going out towards the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to round out the chest, and bend that in. Now let's just curve this around and then out towards the hips. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and up. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the bid with a half oval, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to round this out with a bracket. And down and in towards the center. Now let's draw the top half of the legs, leaving a small gap in the center, come down and out towards the knees. Go to the outside, and around and then down. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. From the inside, let's draw the leg coming in and then down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the left side, bend this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up, bend this down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go to the outside of the leg, bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Now I want to separate the toe area with a curve coming across and then bend that down towards the bottom. And I'll separate the individual toes with 2 curves along the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms. Let's start by separating out the shoulders. From here we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out, around at the shoulder, and pull that in underneath the head. Now let's draw the top half of the arm. From the inside, then is down and then out towards the elbows. Go to the outside of the shoulder, round this out, and then come down. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the forearms from here, then it's around towards the wrist, and the outside going out and then down towards the same height. And we'll close off the wrist with another curve. We're going to go back to the inside of the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting underneath the thumb, we're going to bend this down and up around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger, and then the third finger going up and in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's finish off with a few more details by separating the top of each finger with a curve and going up toward the thumb. And we'll add the kneecaps. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Toy Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.